Well, here we are. In the afternoon, still coming down. Going out to check my sap buckets. Yeah, come along with me. Must have about 6 inches of snow so far. There's my sap bucket. Sorry for the shakiness, I just have my cell phone for a camera, that's all I have. There's my sap bucket. My wife did a nice job painting it for me. Take the cover off, see what we got. It's going to be frozen. I don't know if I can get it out or not. Yeah, there's some in there. Quite a bit. Got some more to gather up. 3 more buckets. I only have 4 trees I tap. That's enough for me, usually. Alright, let's go to the next one. I got probably a gallon and a half of sap out of that one. See, it's still snowing pretty good. I'm going on the back side of my shed. Snow off of it. Ooh, this one's quite full. Almost up to the top. Hey, I'm gonna have to put my phone away and get that bucket off the tree and dump it into my other bucket. So thanks for coming along with me. Hope you enjoyed my little video. God bless.